Go to your favorite browser and search for download MSI Afterburner. Then open the first link. And here click on this button and download the MSI Afterburner file. Once it's successfully downloaded, you get this MSI Afterburner setup.zip file. So we have to extract the file. Once you extract it, open the folder. And here we can see the installer exe file. Let's install this MSI Afterburner in our PC. Once it's successfully installed, go ahead and launch the MSI Afterburner on your computer. In here, open settings. In settings, select monitoring. In here, you have to scroll down and find out CPU temperature. Select CPU temperature. And here, enable show in on-screen display option. And now, click here and we can see the preview. You can select text only, you can select graph only, or you can select text and graph. So I'm selecting text and graph. And now click on apply and click on OK. And now on, the CPU temperature will appear while you are gaming. As you can see, I launched a dummy game on my PC and we can see my current CPU temperature is showing. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.